Good morning and welcome to My FinTax Chronicles for today 27th May 2025. Economic Outlook. India fourth largest GDP. India's FY26 GDP projected at $4.187 trillion, overtaking Japan. Chandrasekaran backs growth. Tata chairman sees stable 2025 growth, falling inflation, strong reforms. FMCG trends shift. Premiumization, wellness, and quick commerce to drive India's consumption. Legal developments. SC halts BPSL liquidation. Supreme Court freezes BPSL liquidation pending JSW Steel review. HC dismisses SpiceJet appeal. Delhi HC rejects 1,300 crore rupees damages plea by Kal Airways. Banking and finance. RBI nixes DLG cover. NBFCs barred from counting fintech guarantees in provisioning metrics. NFRA probes Indusint. Accounting complaint against Indusint Bank reaches NFRA regulator. FPI inflows rebound. May FPI inflow at 14,256 crore rupees, highest in 8 months. RBI dividend boosts sentiment. RBI dividend lifts fiscal outlook, aids market rally above 82k. Grow files for IPO. Grow submits $700 million to $1 billion IPO draft to SEBI for approval. Corporate finance. Najara doubles revenue. Najara Q4 revenue up 95% YoY to 520 crore rupees amid higher costs. Septo hits to 400 crore Gov. Septo sees 220% YoY rise in May grows order value. Aditya Birla plans turnaround. 500 crore rupees capex to revive April's TCNS and TMRW units. Reliance Infra swings to profit. Q4 profit at 4,387 crore rupees versus 143 crore rupees YoY. First Cry loss widens. Brainbees Q4 loss hits 111.5 crore rupees, up to 5x YoY. Citycart raises 538 crore. TPG and a 91-back Citycart at 1,400 crore rupees valuation. International affairs. India to UNSC on terror. India set to name 3 Pakistan-based terrorists at UNSC. Maldives backs India. Maldivian FM condemns Pahalgam attack, supports India globally. Tax and compliances. JP faces ED heat. ED seizes 1.7 crore rupees in cash, probes real estate fraud. ED charges CPI, M, leaders. ED files charges in 150 crore rupees Karuvannur Co-op Bank scam. Investments and finance. Nestle buys Drool's stake. Nestle enters Indian pet food market, no deal value disclosed. Quadra raises $1 billion fund. 60% of Quadra Capital's $1 billion healthcare fund to go to India. TPG backs Citycart. TPG invests in Citycart, targets value fashion market expansion. Slick Club bags $10 million. Nexus VC funds fast fashion startup Slick Club's expansion. CJ Logistics ARP stake. CJ Logistics invests $32 million, raises India arm stake to 56%. Financial markets. Sensex breaches 82k. Sensex climbs 455 points on rain boost and global cues. Nifty crosses 25k. Nifty gains 148 points, strong earnings and FPI inflows aid rally. Gold nears 95.5 thousand rupees. Gold prices rise 340 rupee to 95,429/10G amid global uncertainty. Oil steady at $64.60. Brent crude remains flat at $64.60 per BBL despite global tension. FPI shift to EMS. India sees $1.6 billion inflow, behind Taiwan's $8 billion in May.